Florida. This is Eric with Lennar Homes, and today's video I want to show you a common reason why your garage door does not close properly. You notice that the light is indicating that there's something going on with the unit. 9 times out of 10, it's just a simple adjustment of the eyes. Taking a soft cloth, you want to come to the eyes, you want to give them a nice rub down, adjust the eyes, and make sure that the winglet is nice and tight. Please note that there's 2 on each garage doors that create a beam that the beam has to connect with each other. Once adjusted, let's give your garage door a try. Hopefully this has solved your garage door issues. If you continue to have any problems, feel free to visit lennar.com.